There are some things the UK just straight up does better than Canada. Like public transit. Lots of things that are different, but not necessarily better. Like the pay periods and pedestrians not having the right of way. But there is one thing that I think Canada does way better. And that is the library system. As you may recall, I was pretty excited about getting a library card, but my enthusiasm has been dampened. In Alberta, libraries are run at least in part by municipal governments. I know that because the libraries have been different in all the municipalities I've lived. In Camrose, Airdrie, and Drumheller, I had to pay 12 to 20 bucks to get a yearly membership. When I was a Rosebud student, my Marigold Library membership was free. My Edmonton card was free because they were celebrating their centennial. I don't know if they've gone back to charging people, and either way, I don't know what the fees were or are. I'm told Wetaskiwin's free. And in Calgary, along with free membership, you also get $5 worth of printing credit per month. You can't print out a novel, but for someone like me who needs to print a few resumes and photocopy some audition size and moves too frequently to invest in a printer, is perfect! But after that, all the Alberta libraries are the same. You can search in person or online. You can place a hold on a book someone else is currently reading. You can request books from other libraries in the system. The one time the book I was looking for wasn't in the system, I filled out a form asking them to get it, thinking it would disappear into a folder of unread emails until budget time. But less than a week later, the Camrose Library let me know that they borrowed it from the Edmonton system and I could pick it up whenever. I love it when a library membership is free, but even when it's not, it's always seemed worth it. I didn't realize it at the time, but the reason my library card here is free is because all I get is half an hour of internet and the chance to go to my library and check out a book that is currently sitting on the shelf. Everything else costs money. Not a lot, but it adds up. And for someone like me, it adds up fast. And I realize it's just a different approach to the same problem, but when I had to pay for my membership in Airdrie, it's because the municipal government hadn't prioritized libraries, which is lame, but everyone in Airdrie is in the same boat. Whereas this feels personal. It feels like I'm being punished for being curious, for knowing what I want, for daring to be unsatisfied. So, you go Alberta! You kicked London's ass in this round! Thanks for watching! Subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Bye! Also, I'm going on a trip next Tuesday, Wednesday, and I'm not bringing my laptop. So depending on how prepared I am, the next vlog will either show up in all the usual places on Monday, or it'll be a scheduled post on Tuesday and you'll have to come find it on YouTube!